Hi, we're Glasspirits. I'd like to mention one thing because we're going to play Charlize.
Oh, yeah.
We did a very unique video, which we haven't even talked about. We did that over there.
Oh,
and
really?
It was a glow-in-the-dark with black lights video. Were you at that?
Probably. I don't remember every
It was like super duper off the wall. First of all, I bought a glow-in-the-dark black light set. It's an acrylic green, which glows with a black. I brought black lights and everything.
That's really cool.
And then Mrs. Genius bought all kinds of glow-in-the-dark tape and did all these trippy designs on my cymbals with the tape. And then I bought these glow-in-the-dark sticks that light up, bright lime green.
Right.
And I wore all white, and then she wore like this blonde wig.
Yeah, it was a glow-in-the-dark. It was a wig that I painted with
and
glow-in-the-dark.
she started off with some kind of top, and before you know it, she stripped down to her white bra. But it was dark though. But it's because it glows, you know.
Yeah, I think I remember seeing that.
Yeah, it was a music video that had a lot of special effects.
All the guys from the booth rushed into the to the filming part at that time. They're like, "Oh, Joanne, we need to talk to you." Oh.
Yeah, I was wondering why people came
she had
out.
a lot of friends at that time. It was one of the girls that told you to do that, huh?
Yeah.
I think that's the only way you can convince.
Dude, I had no idea what was happening, and I was just, hanging out, and I happened to look at them like, what is this? Is this the R-rated? But no, it all vibed, man. And then she did other things with that video that I don't know if you want to talk about it, and other things we filmed. Like we actually went to the beach to film the end part of it.
Yeah, now I remember. Yeah, because I remember there was a beach.
Oh, no, you didn't see that.
Oh, I didn't?
Charlize.
Oh, that must have been something else.
Yeah.
Charlize. And
Charlize.
then the beach that day was super overcast. Like, I don't know, what was it, like a fire or something, Joanne?
I'm not sure. There was like
but
a
when
bonfire.
the sun was coming down, it had this trippy vibe. Like, and that, we filmed right by the water.
Really?
And, oh, man.
Overcast is actually perfect filming weather. So, yeah, it looked great. Everything was great. The lighting was great. So, it's going to be good.
It's good. It worked out well, yeah. How about we take a listen to the song then?
Okay.
But I noticed that, like, in the notes, it says, like, track 9 and 10. Is it, like, 2 songs in one?
Yeah, well, track 9 is the song Charlize, and then there's an outro.
Well, now, let's go ahead and check out Charlize.
All right.
Part by Glasspirits on Ska Rocket with DJ Rex on KDHR.net. Let's check it out.
Live, track us on bandsintown.com. If you like our content, leave a comment, subscribe, like, follow. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Tell us in the comments what you're going to do. How are you going to make it?
There'll be times when my crimes will seem almost unforgivable. I give in to sin because you have to make this life livable. But when you think I've had enough from your sea of love,